Demonstrations in Sindh over the proposed canal projects on the Indus River are still ongoing despite the federal government's decision to pause the project. The protests led by employers and supported by political parties have caused serious disruptions to the country's supply chain. According to the Transport Goods Association, around 10,000 to 15,000 trucks, oil tankers and containers remain stuck near Sakkar, Larkana and Bahawalpur due to blocked roads. These vehicles are carrying essential items including sacrificial animals, food supplies, medicines and import-export consignments. The delay is affecting businesses and families across the country. Tariq Gujjar, president of the TGA, said that protesters are waiting for an official notification on May 2 that confirms the rollback of the project. The federal government has said the project is on hold until the Council of Common Interest meets on May 2 to build consensus. Meanwhile, Pakistan People's Party chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari met with advocate Amir Wadaich, who represents the protesting lawyers, but no update on the outcome has been shared. On Thursday, before the government PPP agreement, goods transporters warned that if their vehicles weren't given safe passage by April 25, they would park them in the middle of the road and go on strike. Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah has appealed to demonstrators to reopen highways, saying peaceful protest is acceptable but public disruption is not.
मैंने कल रात को JUI के जो सूबाई सदर हैं मौलाना राशिद महमूद सुमरो साहब उनसे बात की थी. मौलाना राशिद महमूद सुमरो साहब ने कहा कि ये कुछ खदशात इज़हार किया था वो जैसे होते हैं कि जी अभी तक तो CCI जब तक ना हो तो उन्होंने कहा कि जी हम CCI जब तक ये फ़ैसला वापस ये मतलब उनको शायद यकीन नहीं है वज़ीर आज़म की बात पे. मैं यही कह सकता हूँ ना जो उन्होंने बात की है उनका अपना मौक़िफ़ हो सकता है, हम जारी रखें. तो मैंने उनसे दरख्वास्त की कि आप मेहरबानी करके, ठीक है आप अगर पॉलिटिकल किसी को प्रोटेस्ट करने से तो मैं रोक ही नहीं सकता ना, लेकिन आप मेहरबानी करके रोड्स वगैरह ब्लॉक ना करें. उन्होंने कहा ना पहले किए हैं ना आगे करूँगा. और ये अच्छी मस्बत जवाब था उनका मौलाना राशिद महमूद सुमरो का, और मैं उसको उनका शुक्रिया भी अदा करता हूँ और एक्नॉलेज करता हूँ एक सियासी जमात का यही रवैया होना चाहिए.
Industry leaders are alarmed. Karachi Chamber of Commerce President Javed Bilwani said the unrest has already cost the economy over rupees 500 billion in missed export orders and stalled local production. He also mentioned that many sacrificial animals have died in transit. Raw materials are stuck in Pakistan's credibility among international buyers is at risk. For more on this matter, read the Dawn story linked below.